Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you hear no sound during calls on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita smartphone. First of all, check the volume sound using volume buttons on your smartphone, and now by default your smartphone actually changes the media sound volume instead of the phone call volume. So expand the sound mixer and make sure to change the phone volume. And if you don't see the phone volume leveler in here, go to sound and vibration and increase the phone sound in here. Besides, you can also go to DTS sound and try disabling it and checking it if it improves your sound quality. And if it doesn't, you can also enable it and try using different modes instead of smart selection. Also, disable Bluetooth to disconnect all the Bluetooth devices that could be connected to your device, and this way you can outrule connected devices interference with your sound volume. But then don't forget to adjust your sound volume once again. And if this won't help you, then use a soft brush to clean an earpiece of your smartphone right above your device's camera. Do not use any metallic tools, just carefully brush your earpiece with a soft brush and restart your smartphone afterwards. To do that, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds, select restart, confirm, and let your phone reboot. Okay, and now check if this improved, if your situation has improved after that. If not, you can test your sound in another application like WhatsApp, or just by calling somebody else. Maybe there is an issue on their side. And as a last resort, we can reset network settings. This will not affect your Wi-Fi connections or Bluetooth connections. This will only affect your SIM card settings. To do that, go to System, then go to Reset Options, select Reset Network Settings and confirm twice, and enter your password if prompted. And after that, your network settings will be reset, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.